What's up, guys? Hopefully you had a good weekend. We're back Monday. Market tanked today. Massive correction on the SPY. Big drop off here, almost to the 3% mark, which is highly unlikely. Be a full 3%. Came up a little bit, closed. I did have a SPY credit spread. Let's see. I opened up a put credit spread when the SPY was really low. It was right about here, and it was a little bit aggressive as far as my strike price. My strike price is maybe a little bit too high on it. And then just seeing kind of the velocity and everything, I was like, okay, that is probably too much because we'll probably be red tomorrow. So bounced here, and then I actually sold it off here for a little profit. So I did count for a day trade, but I only actually had one of them. I was meaning to scale into it, both Robinhood instead of opening another one. So you can like open and close these just like this. If you go to the actual credit spread or whatever, you can actually open or close. So if you want to have the exact same play, say if you want to make it 8 of these contracts instead of 7, you just hit open and then add another one for whatever price, and then you'll have 8. So it's convenient to do it like that, but it's not it's too easy where it's on open or close, in my opinion. So I, instead of opening up 3, I opened up 1, opened up another one, and then sold one. So anyways, I made a little bit on it. This is a different one. So then when when the SPY was right about here, I sold a call credit spread, a bearish position. And it's a pretty aggressive one. I think it's going to stay below this range. I think it's going to sell off tomorrow. So the 342, 343 spread, basically SPY has to close below 343 tomorrow. So hoping it doesn't have a big rally tomorrow. We'll see though. It's kind of tough because this, with vaccine news and that kind of thing, good, but how much momentum and velocity this has, and this looks somewhat like a bear flag, it's usually doesn't just bounce straight back up. It might kind of come up a little bit and consolidate and then go down, or it might just sell off. I'm thinking it's going to be somewhat flat or bearish, and then probably in the morning it might have a bounce and then just probably sell off the rest of the day. So when it has that bounce, I might scale into it even more because this doesn't expire till Wednesday. I might buy another one or another couple, but we'll see. This is already pretty big. It's good credit, $196 credit, which is pretty good for only like $600 or $700 collateral, and that's because it's there's a lot of premium because it's so close. It's close to the money. When I've done these before, they've been way out of the money, so they've been, you know, for $200 credit before it'd be like $1,500 or $2,000 collateral, but this one basically has less probability, so I got more premium. So yeah, we'll see. And if it has a low and it seems like it's going to bounce, I might do a put credit spread that expires the next day. Just thinking it will. And I kind of was trying to do that today, and I did it, but then I was like, probably shouldn't be on the put side. I just wanted to get some of this action, and it was too late. There was no premium, but surprisingly there was still pretty good premium on the call credit spread side, even like just right here. So we'll see. What else did we do? Oh, I kind of got juked on Netflix in the morning. Of course I didn't know it was gonna be a crazy sell-off day, so that pretty much brought everything down. Netflix has had this long kind of slow downtrend, kind of consolidation. I thought today it was rebounding for some reason. I mean, you can see why. Huge green candles, tons of volume. At this point, SPY was still going down some, and I thought Netflix was just outpacing, so I did a debit spread, just a weekly, so kind of sketch. Probably lose on that one, but we'll see. It kind of started to come back maybe, but this is kind of what the SPY looked like too, so I don't know. If the SPY is more mellow tomorrow and Netflix wants to go, then it might be all right. So I actually got, let's see, got 4 of these. It's crazy. Right after I opened it, it just tanked. It basically lost 70% premium like right away. I was like, I wish I was on the other end of that and sold this. I just opened it and closed out for 70%. Yeah, I ticked it the wrong way. And not really the same with Redfin, but kind of the same with Redfin. Given I got debit spreads on this for earnings, and I didn't really care when I got it. I didn't think it was gonna keep selling off today, but yeah, I mean, it might consolidate more. I might scale into this one a little bit more too. I think Redfin's earnings are gonna be good. I've got 3 of these. If it keeps losing value, I might buy more. Earnings is on Redfin 11.5, so it's 5th of November. This one expires on the 20th, the 55.60 debit spread. So basically, if on expiration Redfin is $60, we'll get max profit on this. And if it's shooting up before expiration, of course, it'll become valuable and I might sell off some or one or all. But max profit would be 60 minus 55. So that's $5 times 100, right? Did that right? No. 50. Oh, 500, yeah. I believe. Times 3. So that's 1,500. I think if I'm doing that right. Max profit on this. If it goes up that much, and that'd be a huge gain. But that's on a $120 play. So that's why I like spreads as opposed to a naked call. Because this only costs $120. I have a month of time on it. And, you know, a $1,500 cap on a $120 play is fine with me. That's a huge profit. Could be wrong on that. I think that's right though. It's the difference between the two strike prices, which is what I got, and then we have to subtract the cost it was to get in. Yeah, it's something like that. That's what you do to close it. It would be 1,500, but then you'd subtract the cost to get in, which would be 120. So whatever that is, 1,380. So that's Redfin, and I probably want to get some Rocket. Maybe Rocket's really killed us in the long term, but for earnings, the housing market's been crazy the last 2 or 3 months. If you guys have been following, just housing prices have gone up. Transactions I think are really high because of low interest rates. I just know the pricing's gone up, so I'm trying to just get some of that action. Earnings for Rocket's on 11.10, so it's probably going to keep selling off with the market these next however long few days, but that'll be nice for our Rocket shares, which are of course down 1,100. Yeah, but I want to maybe get some earnings on the mortgage side of things for the housing. What else? I got a Microsoft put today. Kind of bounced all over the place. GPS calls and puts. Confusing. Watch last video, I explain it. DraftKings shares. Actually, the GPS calls started to go up today a little bit. Just sold off some, but that put into game value because I bought it at a terrible time. I bought it right here because the news, and I thought I was going to go down, but it was actually bullish news. Anyways, that's that account. E-Trade, of course, E-Trade's starting to look pretty good now because this is mostly all bearish plays. So Bank of America, Delta Airlines, they both had pretty bad red days today, and a strong recovery in the end of the day. But we'll see. This has got till the November 20th too, so I got a whole month. I don't know if I'll be able to, when I can cut out this break even, I'll be happy to. I don't know if I'll get to that chance or not, but we'll see. I'm gonna leave these for a bit though. Up until the election, a lot of the stuff could tank a lot. Delta, yeah, big bear flag. This should keep coming down. So hopefully that gets better. And of course my SPY puts, you know, these are down less than they have been. Got Hertz shares, AMC, of course those are all going down. Those covered calls expired, worthless, so we kept that, and that is it for today. Tomorrow, probably see what the SPY is doing. I want to kind of set up some other credit spreads, but if everything's still bearish tomorrow, I'll maybe just mess with the SPY. Yeah, so that's pretty much my plan. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make money, happy money, so stick around. Let me know how you guys did in the market today. This Hertz covered call. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Peace out.